how to capture motion photo before shutter on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Camera app. After click on Camera app, click on this four dot icon. After click on this four dot icon, click on this settings icon. After click on this settings icon, scroll down and click on advanced picture option. After click on advanced picture option, click on motion, click on motion photo capture. After click on motion photo capture, click on before shutter only. So you will see motion photo capture is set on before shutter only. After set, go back to home screen. So that's how you can capture motion photo before shutter on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.